Walk-on suit F1. Imagine a world where advanced robotics restores the ability to walk for those who've lost it. The walk-on suit F1, a hybrid exoskeleton created by South Korean companies K and Angel Robotics, is turning this vision into reality. Designed to assist individuals with leg paralysis, this wearable robot can walk independently and even attach itself to a user without assistance. Since its inception in 2015, the device has seen remarkable enhancements, such as obstacle recognition systems and powerful new drives. Its groundbreaking technology earned it a gold medal at Cybathlon, an international competition showcasing assistive technologies for athletes with disabilities. Subscribe to witness more innovations transforming lives. Tasca. What if a prosthetic limb allowed users to live without limitations? Tasca, the world's first waterproof multi-jointed myoelectric prosthetic, makes that dream possible. Whether washing dishes or gardening, users can engage in everyday activities without worrying about water damage thanks to its IP67 rated protection. With preloaded grip patterns and the ability to rest knuckles on surfaces, Tasca offers unparalleled functionality and ease. It's designed to last for 5 years, empowering users with durability and adaptability. Magnetic pixels. Inspired by the natural brilliance of squids, engineers at the University of Michigan have created magnetic pixel screens. These compact, power-independent displays rely on tiny, rotating colored balls to form images. Practical and innovative, these screens could revolutionize fields like e-readers, camouflage systems, and even secure data displays, as they can only be activated by specific magnets. The possibilities are limitless with this low-energy marvel. Haven 1. The future of space tourism starts with Haven 1, a compact yet innovative space station set to launch in 2025. Visitors will travel aboard SpaceX's Crew Dragon ships to this orbital habitat, which can house 4 crew members in a 45 cubic meter space. Featuring a science lab, gym, recreation area, and wood-accented interiors, Haven 1 promises comfort alongside cutting-edge design. Its modular structure allows for expansion, ensuring that humanity's reach into the cosmos only continues to grow. Roboa. Meet Roboa, a soft snake-shaped robot from ETH Zurich. This revolutionary device is designed to explore hard-to-reach areas like pipes or rubble during rescue operations. Its soft exterior and advanced pneumatics allow it to maneuver in environments where sparks could trigger explosions. Equipped with a microphone and speaker, it facilitates two-way communication in emergencies. With 100-meter extensibility, Roboa is quickly becoming a must-have tool for disaster response. Kia Atmos Mk1. The Kia Atmos Mk1 is no ordinary drone. It's New Zealand's first solar-powered stratospheric UAV. With a wingspan of 12.5 meters and the ability to fly at altitudes of 15 kilometers, this 40-kilogram marvel operates above passenger planes. Perfect for aerial photography, it provides a cost-effective alternative to satellites. While its current flight time is 16 hours, future iterations aim to sustain flights for months, reshaping the world of aerial imaging. Voxon Vive X2. Imagine holding a 3D object in thin air. That's what the Voxon Vive X2, the world's most advanced 3D display, makes possible. Using voxels, essentially 3D pixels, this device renders high-resolution images at an impressive 30 volumes per second. Compatible with Windows and Unity IDE, it's ideal for gaming, presentations, and online meetings. Although priced at $6,800, its potential to enhance visualization across industries makes it a game-changer. Yigoli. Alpha Series. Robotic car washes are becoming the norm, and Yigoli's Alpha Series is leading the charge. These compact systems boast high-precision sensors that detect car contours, ensuring 96% cleaning efficiency. Already operational in 171 cities across China, these eco-friendly models are 32% more energy efficient than their predecessors. Backed by heavyweights like Alibaba, Yigoli is revolutionizing car care with speed and precision. UD-Cap VR gloves. Imagine touching the virtual world as if it were real. The UD-Cap VR gloves make this possible with groundbreaking flexible sensors that track even the tiniest hand movements down to 0.01 degrees. Lightweight and breathable, these gloves are incredibly comfortable and include a micro-vibration feedback system. Users can also attach accessories like sticks for gaming, offering endless possibilities for virtual reality immersion. Engine AI SE01. China's Engine AI SE01 humanoid robot is poised to compete with Tesla's Optimus. This agile robot walks at 2 meters per second and boasts a quick battery swap system for uninterrupted functionality. Equipped with NVIDIA and Intel processors, the SE01 uses AI prompts for advanced interactions. With plans to produce over 1,000 units by 2025, this robot is at the forefront of humanoid innovation. Komodo 03. Tough and reliable, the Komodo 03 robotic chassis is designed for rugged tasks like logistics, patrolling, and reconnaissance. With a load capacity of 100 kilograms and 20 centimeters of ground clearance, it tackles steep 30-degree slopes with ease. Its robust suspension system and brushless motor make it the ideal tool for extreme conditions, cementing its place as the tank of robotics. Next Pod. Public transportation just got a futuristic upgrade with Next Pod modular electric vehicles. These pods can travel solo or connect to form a bus, offering speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour and a range of 300 kilometers on a single charge. Producing 60% less CO2 than traditional transit methods, they're a greener alternative with unique aesthetics that are sure to turn heads. Lightner Connex. Lightner Connex brings the benefits of cable cars into urban environments with an electric-wheeled platform. Capable of carrying 10 passengers at 43 kilometers per hour, it offers seamless travel without switching between transport modes. This innovative concept could revolutionize city transit systems in places like London and Barcelona, where cable cars are already part of the landscape. Even Realities. G1. Remember Google Glass? Even Realities has taken that idea and perfected it with the G1 augmented reality glasses. These stylish specs include features like GPS navigation, speech recognition, and AI teleprompters, all seamlessly integrated into prescription lenses. With a battery life of over a day and an additional reserve, the G1 is practical and wearable, offering a glimpse into the augmented reality future. Connor K3. The Connor K3 amphibious helicopter blurs the line between air and water travel. Equipped with electric water jet engines, it can cruise on water at 15 kilometers per hour. Powered by a 250 horsepower turbine engine and a 90 horsepower electric motor, this versatile machine offers unparalleled functionality. Stability-enhancing side fins ensure smooth operations, whether in the air or on the sea. SE Trek. Explore the ocean floor without needing to swim, thanks to SE Trek's innovative helmet diving system. Designed for people aged 8 to 96, this program allows participants to walk underwater, even wearing glasses or contact lenses. The helmets are connected to a surface compressor or carry their own oxygen supply, making it a fun and safe adventure for everyone. Expandable Touchdown. The Expandable Touchdown combines the best of mobile homes and semi-trailers. Its patented mechanism retracts the wheels to create a spacious, customizable living area. Models like the Touchdown 38 offer up to 52 square meters of floor space, while the Touchdown 53 expands to an impressive 83.3 square meters. Perfect for offices, residences, or showrooms, this innovative design redefines mobile living. Jet Capsule. The Jet Capsule is a customizable mini yacht designed for speed and luxury. Powered by a 640 horsepower V8 engine, it can reach speeds of up to 64 kilometers per hour. Whether used as a tourist shuttle or a VIP business jet, its fully customizable interiors make it perfect for any need. While the base model starts at $250,000, its sleek design and versatility make it a worthy investment. LG Healing Me. Say goodbye to stress with LG's Healing Me massage chair. Designed to blend seamlessly into any home, this compact chair offers 6 types of massages with customizable speed and zones. Its innovative design includes spheres that move in 6 directions, delivering unmatched relaxation. This futuristic furniture piece has become a sensation, especially among viewers aged 30 to 40. Underwater lift bags. Underwater lift bags may not grab headlines, but they are essential for tasks like ship recovery and draft reduction. Capable of lifting up to 600 tons in salt water, these pontoons have been used in projects like raising the Vasa ship. Their versatility makes them indispensable for marine operations. Subscribe to explore more groundbreaking technologies reshaping our world. Blast off!